Hello everyone, this is Farhan from farhanreviews.com. In this video I'm going to be reviewing a WordPress plugin called Vipercache. Now Vipercache is basically a plugin that is a premium plugin that massively improves the performance of your website, and it's got all sorts of funky technology to cache all the resources and make it perform a lot better overall. Now my review page linked below, I go through all the main features. It makes your WordPress sites faster, 10 times faster in 30 seconds. And that is true literally because I tried it myself. I go through all the features. I'll show you some of the my own results and the pricing. So Viper caching at the moment is $37. There are some upsells. They're priced here, but they're $17, $67, $17 and $17. But once you go through the process, I'll give you more information. And in my little conclusion here, I just wrote that it is really worth it for such a cheap plugin. It's a premium plugin. It really does increase the performance. I'll show you my results in a minute. But it really has boosted all of the stats on the performance. Now, if you buy it from my page via any of these links, I'm going to give you 6 bonuses, exclusive bonuses just for you. So the first bonus is WordPress affiliate system. So it's a video course on how to create affiliate websites with WordPress. The second bonus is WordPress automation secrets. It's how to save time with your WordPress site and automate a lot of manual tasks, including maintenance, e-commerce, social media, and membership. The third bonus is WooCommerce membership secrets. So I'll go through how to create a membership website using WooCommerce and WordPress. The fourth bonus is e-commerce with WooCommerce. It's a mouthful. The fifth bonus is WordPress engagement boost. It's how to boost the engagement on your WordPress site and also fine-tune some features. And the sixth bonus is how to edit your config files to add expires headers, and also how to modify your PHP version and so on. So this is a video I recorded just going through how I edit the settings. So these are only available from this page via any of these links. So once you purchase, you'll get this delivered to you free of charge instantly. Let me quickly take you through Vipercache. So this is the sales page. There's a lot to read here. I go into detail about why it's good and so on. It can compare it to some of the other popular caching plugins, so you can see it does perform well against all of them. And yeah, there's a lot to read here, but let me get to... So this is the back end of the plugin. So, I mean, simply, you upload the plugin as any normal plugin, upload it via your plugins options, then you just click on enable and click save, and that's it, it's done. You can enable HTTPS caching, but because you should have HTTPS as a certificate, but that is pretty much it. And then I'll show you some of the results. So this is just a tester website, but this is on pretty good hosting anyway. And you see that the scores are pretty good. They're all green. They're all good. So this is GT Metrics. The server is based in Dallas, so I chose a North American testing area. So this is Dallas, USA. And these are the stats. This is tools.pingdom.com, performance C, and so on. I also chose San Francisco. And this is Google Page Speed Insights. Score 70 on mobile and 90 on desktop. So as you can see, stats aren't bad, and that's because the hosting is very good. I'll also link to the hosting down below if you're interested. It's cloud5host.com. I'll try and post a link above this video now to let you know where to get that from. And also you can watch my review. Now this is with the plugin activated and installed. So straight away I've got a little bump here. I've got AA, a sub 1 second load time, reduce file size, and also reduce request. On Pingdom Tools I've got a B. Also reduce load time and so on. And with Google Page Speed I'm getting 88 on mobile. Before I was on 70. And for desktop on 98 before. what it was, 90. So you see it's quite a nice boost with just one simple, very cheap plugin. And you know how much Google loves these fast sites, and they're all pushing everything to mobile first. So with this, just as well, this simple plugin, without even doing any more optimization, you get such a big boost. So yeah, that I was very impressed with. Let me get rid of this. So yeah, so I mean the plugin's really good. It's really cheap, and if you buy it from any of my links, you'll get all of these bonuses free of charge instantly. You've seen my results on that website. The hosting is very good. So if you've got poor hosting, this will probably make an even bigger difference. So I hope you enjoyed this review. If you liked it, please click the thumbs up, leave a comment below, and definitely subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, bye.